NBA hoops. All right, good luck, Chris. Here we go. He might be getting a NT racing case. All right. Got some hoops. Empty box. These are personals. This isn't, group breaks are over on the YouTube and Twitch, so the personals aren't on the website. We've got up next Jalen Green and rookie of Isaiah Jackson. So red back of Bobby Portis and Trey Murphy, the third rookie. Just pain. Yep, Steven, that's the last boxes of the NT. You got it. Foil hypnotized Kevin Durant, Preston rookie. So you'll be up next, Steven. Thank you for hopping back in. Glad we were able to get that for you. Got My City edition Cole Anthony and rookie of Bassie. Just this box, Steven. Just this one for Chris, and then you're up next with your case of NT. We've got now playing Trey Mann and Trey Mann rookie. Let's see if we can get you out of that last case. Up next, Josh Christopher and rookie for the Wizards, a Corey Kispert. Got foil legends of Bob Pettit, rookie of Jalen Johnson. Wiseman second year. Got prime twine, Devin Booker, and rookie of Brandon Boston Jr. Road to the finals out of 2021, Chris Middleton and Isaiah Livers, rookie. Just place an order. Sounds good, Sniper. Thanks. Thanks for letting me know. I'll put you in queue. We have prime twine foil of Kyrie Irving and Davion Mitchell, rookie. Again, new release today, Mosaic Choice Football. Be sure to check that out. Looking for some peacocks, some nebulas, the black gold. We've got purple Markkanen and a Book Knight rookie. Definitely some nice cards coming out of those. Zero Gravity of Kawhi Leonard and a Toscano Anderson rookie. Do purple of Jaylen Brown and rookie of Miles McBride. What's up, Tobias? Jaron. It really is, Sniper. I'm waiting for someone to order one. I'm excited to rip those tonight. Hoopla, Joel Embiid, and rookie of Aldama. Still looking for the auto out of here for you, Chris. Got road to the finals out of $9.99, Giannis Antetokounmpo, and a Scotty Barnes rookie. There you go, nice Barnes. We've got silver out of $199, Drew Holiday, and a Josh Giddey rookie. You bought two? Awesome, Sniper. Kicking us off with the choices tonight then. High voltage, LeBron James.
LeBron James.
And a Andrew Wiggins rookie. Prime Twine, Luka, and a JT Thor rookie. All right, our auto, a signature rookie of Jeremiah Robinson Earl, OKC rookie. It's going to be your auto there for you, Chris. Hot signatures rookie. Not numbered. Now playing of Evan Mobley and a Primo rookie. Up next, Primo, and Isaiah Todd rookie. We're looking for Wagner, Evan Mobley, Scotty Barnes. Those are the top 3 guys for Rookie of the Year out of this rookie class. Got purple of Sabonis, a Jared Butler rookie, and Cade Cunningham. Wagner is on the Magic. I'm not sure who you're talking about. Mobley on the Cavs, Barnes on the Raptors, City Edition, DeJounte Murray, Duarte rookie. Got Cade Cunningham. He's the #1 draft pick of this series on the Pistons. Hoku 2nd year. We've got now playing of Davion Mitchell and a Zaire Williams. He's a top 10 draft pick. And we've got 75th anniversary to 75 of TJ Warren and a Cameron Thomas rookie. All right, Chris, that'll do it for you. Thanks for starting us off tonight. We'll be getting these cards right out to you.